Welcome to this pre-recorded presentation from Chadron State College Live. I'm Daniel Binkard, here with Will McLaughlin, one of our great student workers who helps make CSC Live productions possible. So Will, it's been 4 years now since we started the whole CSC Live process, multi-camera productions, live broadcasts, live streams of these athletic events, pre-recorded products. It's just been a whole wide range of videos that we've put together over the years. And you've been one of our student workers, been part of it. Let's talk a little bit about how you got started working at CSC Live.
Okay, coming out of high school, I'd been doing a lot of video editing for my father as a coach, and then I worked for the local television station as a camera operator, and then my senior year as a broadcaster. And coming into college, I knew I wanted to do something in communication arts, and just was looking around until I eventually crossed your path. 4 years ago, I think you and I were in that process of like not knowing where this was going to go or what.
Oh yeah, we were still figuring it out. And I remember that first football game, I think we were planning to do kind of a test run with you, and then we got to that point and said, well, let's just do this. Yeah, let's put you out there live.
Yeah, and it was pretty fun, and we just kind of kept the ball rolling with that. But overall, working with CSC Live for the first couple of years as a broadcaster, that was really helpful because in my classroom setups, I was doing a lot of work with AP-style writing and speaking, and when I was coming to work, I was able to apply that knowledge as well. So I think it really just kind of helped me out a whole lot through my classroom process and working here with you in these live video setups and pre-recorded setups, because it just made everything I had learned, I was able to apply it right then and there at the moment.
Yeah, we try to get that whole, taking the extracurricular learning back to the classroom, and then from the classroom back to us. And I think it works out really well. And we've got student workers from all majors across the board, business majors, rangeland majors, communication. It's really anybody can do this kind of work if they've got a passion for it. So let's talk about a few of the memories from CSC Live productions. I think one that stands out, of course, is that Colorado Mines game in 2012 where we had a little bit of a blizzard.
It was pretty interesting. That morning we were doing our camera loads and getting everything set up, and it was kind of chilly, but it hadn't started snowing.
We didn't think it was going to get that bad. Okay, we can handle this.
And by halftime we were breaking down most of our cameras to just one. And
you were up on the roof calling the game. We had a fixed camera and then just one following the action, and I'm up there running that. I think everybody on the crew that day experienced at least a little bit of cold.
Oh yeah, it was definitely one of the more memorable ones that stick out. And everything else on the sports side, we got to cover regional wrestling my freshman year as well, and it was that 3-mat setup.
3 mats all live.
And we were just running split screen on the switcher board, and everything was just going back and forth, and it's nonstop action. It felt like the whole day.
Yeah, it was a long, couple of days, really. Yeah, it was a long couple of days, but we got through that, and I think we put out a pretty good product. We got to see the opening of the Chicoine Center, the new athletic facility, and our space within that. We got camera platforms, we've got a production space in there. And I think it's good for the students to see that as we move up and improve productions, what's possible with as you add more cameras and all that fun stuff.
The work we've been able to do has just leaped forward, and the amount of compliments we've received from parents, other viewers.
We like to hear those.
It's been really awesome because it lets us know that we're doing our jobs right, and under your supervision that we're able to get an effective and clean product out for fans and viewers. So that's always been fun. Even on the non-sport side of things, when we've covered graduation, commencement ceremonies, along with anything else going on here on campus, that it's always good to see that a lot of our workers are getting that real-world experience with the work that we do and the improvements we've made over the years.
Now you're graduating this, in a few days here.
Yeah.
So heading off to... Where is it?
University of Central Missouri.
I know I'm going to miss you, Will, because you've been one of the great student workers for me, but that does mean we've got an opening. So anybody who's interested, you're welcome to apply. Information on our website, csc.edu/live.
Really just the amount of fun you can have with this job, because you don't have to have a specific major. It's all open work for any student. And the cool thing about it is you get to be a part of a lot of different areas that most students probably wouldn't get a chance to see on campus, which is
that idea of behind the scenes
Yeah.
For an event.
And just overall for Chadron State's campus, we get to see what improvements, changes, and exciting things are going to be coming over the next couple of years. So I think that was one thing that really hit home for me in my 4 years of working here, not only as a broadcaster, but just as an all-around student worker for CSC Live.
Yeah. It's been an exciting 4 years, and it's interesting to see what's going to happen next. So, Will, it's been good talking to you for a few minutes here, looking back over those last 4 years. And I wish you luck as you move on to the next stage in your education and career.
Thank you. And again, 4 years ago, appreciate the opportunity, to broadcast and work for CSC Live. It's definitely been some of the best years of my life coming into college.
Very good.